Hi everyone, welcome to SQL Zone. Today we are going to learn how to install Docker on Ubuntu server. Before going to start, it's good to learn few things about Docker. Docker is basically a container engine and it is designed to make it easier to create, deploy and run applications by using containers. Docker was released as open source in March 2013. Docker written in Go programming language and the latest version of Docker is 19.03.8. Now we'll see the installation of Docker on Ubuntu server. Here we need to start Ubuntu instance and we need to connect Ubuntu instance. I have launched instance already and I am going to connect server without using ppk file. If you have any doubts how to connect server, you refer my previous video. You can get clear idea how to connect in Ubuntu instance without using ppk file. As it is SSH connection, I am giving SSH and I created the credentials for root user. So I'm as a root user, I'm going to connect. Here I'm giving root and I'm providing the public IP of my Ubuntu instance. So here I'm going to connect now. So I'm providing the password of root user. Yeah, it's done. So here first we will check whether Docker is there or not. By using Docker keyword, we can come to know whether it installed or not. See here, command docker not found. That doesn't mean it's not installed on this server. So for this, we will update the packages by using sudo apt-get update command. So it's updating all the packages. So now we will go using few steps to install Docker. For this, I have prepared a clear-cut notes. I will provide in description box in this video. So here, first we need to download few packages here. So this is the command to download the dependencies. So I'm running the sudo apt-get install command. Here we need to run this command to allow our OS to access the Docker repositories over HTTPS. So I'm running this command. Here apt transport HTTPS. This word it allows the package manager to transfer files and data over HTTPS. And CA certificates is allowing the system and web browser to check security certificates as well as curl. This is a tool for transferring data. And software properties common is adding the scripts for managing software. So this is the explanation of this command. And now we need to add Docker's GPG key. So for this, we need to run this command. Curl ffssl https download docker.com. So here we are installing, sorry, we are adding Docker's JPG key. So that doesn't mean it ensures that the software you are installing is authentic or not. If it is result as giving OK, that means it is authentic. Now we have to install Docker repository. So for this, we need to execute this command to install Docker repository on Ubuntu server. So here we are going to run this server. This command here lsb release cs, that means it scans and returns the code name of your Ubuntu installation. Here it is Bionic and as well as final word The stable is the type of Docker release, so whether it is stable version or not. Now we need to update the packages again. We will update the packages using sudo apt-get update. Yeah, it's updated. Now, as we are using community edition, so we have to install the Docker CE using sudo apt-get using install command, and we are going to install CE version. So Docker Community Edition. So while running this command, it is get executed and it is installing the Community Edition on this instance. So now it is installing all the packages which are related to Docker. So these are the simple steps we have to follow to install Docker on our servers. Yeah, it's done. Now we will check which version it's installed. Using docker-v, we can come we can come to know which version it's installed, or else docker hyphen hyphen version. These two commands are using to get the version of Docker. See, we have installed Docker version 19.03.8. So if you want to install any specific version, then there is a few more steps. For that, we need to run one command, that is apt catch Madison and Docker C. So it gives the list of available versions. Here multiple versions are there, so whatever version you want to install you can choose and run the same command. I will show which command you have to run. As we install using sudo apt-get install docker ce, by default it is installing latest version. If you want to install any specific version, you have to run the command like sudo apt-get install docker ce equals to version, which version you have to mention here. So then you will install the specific version, which version you have required. So this is the way to follow the steps to install Docker. That's it, guys. If you have any queries, please let me know. What are the doubts you have? You just comment in comment box. Thanks for watching this video. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We'll see you in the next video.